loves, welcome to the Sparkle Z Boutique. Today I am coming to you with my first empty apartment tour.
Shine bright like a diamond.
My first empty apartment tour because this is the first time I've had the opportunity to actually stop and record the empty apartment. I have added clips to the 5 places that I've lived in previously. I've had a lot of ups and downs in life and had to start over multiple times. And right now, with the times that we're going through, I wanted to remind everyone that you can do it. Everything is temporary. I myself, in the last year, have lost my job after 15 years. My car has been totaled. I've lost my place, had to move in with family. And here again, 4 months later, I had to start all over again. But I want everyone to be encouraged and know that you can do it. And I want to share my new empty apartment tour with everyone and let everyone know that is going through something or having to move multiple times and have to do things on a budget. You can do it. You can go through OfferUp, do DIYs, revamp, do whatever you have to do to make your place, that make your house a home for you with your own style. And I'm so excited for you guys to see my empty apartment tour. I'm so happy to have you here. And while I have you here, I would love it if you would thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun.
Oh my God, y'all. Opened my door to the place for the first time. I couldn't scream, and always all my new neighbors think I'm crazy. So I just opened the door for the first time. And here I got the closet. Then when you come in, it's a fireplace. Oh my God, I'm so happy. God is so good. And then here is the deck out here. And then we have the kitchen with a note here with my Wi-Fi password, so I won't show that. And then this is, wait a minute, my first piece of mail. So then this is the dining room area here. Nothing has been moved in yet. And so I'm about to start moving stuff in here. So I figured I better come in here and record first. And then here is, okay, the kitchen. The kitchen, it has granite countertops. And it comes with dishwasher and a microwave. And of course, a refrigerator. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. And this is how it looks from the kitchen, then the dining room, and then here's the living room. And then this is the laundry room. I'm sorry if I'm going fast because, again, I'm seeing this for the first time, just like you guys are. So I got the washer and the dryer, and the stuff there for your storage. And then you come down to the hallway. And this is the bathroom. Wow. Also with the granite countertops. This is me and my full moving gear. And of course the shower. Real basic bathroom. Medicine cabinet. Then here is the master bedroom. And I tell you, the Verizon had came my router. It was nice enough my leasing office let them in before I actually got here today. So I thought that was nice. Big, beautiful walk-in closets with shelves. And this is where the bedroom is. I think it's interesting that where I'm at, it is a basketball court and a tennis court. I think that's going to be interesting this summer. Hopefully, it won't be a lot of noise. But come out the bedroom. And that's pretty much it. The bathroom is to your right. Then the kitchen and the dining room is to your left. Then the laundry room. Then we come back out to the living room. I got so many. Then that's the front door, the closet to the front with the hardwood floor, well, hard like floors. And carpet all throughout the house except for in the front foyer area. And of course, the kitchen. And the same pattern is in the bathroom. So I hope you guys like this new apartment tour. I'm so excited about the possibilities and the things that's going to be happening in my life. 2019 was something else, but 2020, here I come. I love you guys, and as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.